Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and browse Blinkit categories. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and search for Blinkit. Go ahead and click on the first link right over here. Now there are two ways that you can go ahead and browse a category. So first things first, there are going to be the most popular categories right up over here. So as you can see, there's pan corner, there's dairy, breads and eggs, fruit and vegetable, cold drinks and juices, snacks and munchies, and many more. So you can simply go ahead and click on one of these and just select anything that you want. So for example, Indian sweets, there's also chocolate gift packs, there's also ice cream and frozen desserts, and many more, right? What you can do is simply go ahead and scroll all the way down, and now this is where you can see all the categories. So chicken, meat and fish, there's also pet care, baby care, magazines, sweet tooth, tea, coffee, health drinks, beauty and cosmetics. So for example, let's just say I want some exotic meat, right? I can just click there, and as you can see, there it is already. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.